Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and signing in. Make sure Vscode is updated, you have a GitHub account, and an active Copilot plan. Open Extensions, search for GitHub Copilot, and click Install. Once installed, click Sign into GitHub when prompted. You may allow the Vscode OAuth flow. After authentication, the extension will show as enabled. If you use multiple accounts, pick the one tied to your Copilot license, so suggestions will be authorized immediately. Once done with Sign In, configure Copilot for your workflow and run a quick test. Open a code file in the language you use, then open Settings and search for Copilot to enable inline suggestions and tweak suggestion frequency. You can also set whether Copilot uses local files for context. Now type a comment or function signature to prompt a suggestion, press Ctrl+Enter to request completion, and use Tab to accept. This confirms the engine is responding and that context windows are effective. To complete setup, integrate Copilot into your normal workflow and lock down workspace and settings. Make sure other AI extensions are disabled to avoid conflicts, and enable file exclusions if you don't want suggestions from certain files. If suggestions stop, restart Vscode or sign out and sign back into GitHub to refresh tokens. If problems persist, open View right arrow output, select GitHub Copilot, and scan logs for errors. One key troubleshooting tip is to verify your plan and GitHub org permissions, which often block access unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.